This event is all about AI usage in education. AI is everywhere, it's growing all the time, it gets better, it seems like every week. So for our teachers to have breakout sessions on how to use AI in the application form, it's a good opportunity to learn about the tools for project-based learning, for content creation, and just to do these new things with AI that they couldn't before.
We intentionally did not present ourselves, our ed tech team here, because our people in Kent County have access to us all the time, and we wanted to make sure they're hearing new voices, different perspectives, and maybe new tools and new ways of using things.
AI, I think, is really a disruptive technology. It's going to change the way that we do education, and the sooner that educators can kind of have the time to get in and explore and see what learning is going to look like, the better off we're all going to be.
Forces you to either edit or approve every
A lot of these AI tools can do similar things, and so it's very important to lead with good teaching strategies, and that's what I love about seeing here is that's the focus of the conversation is how are we using these tools to really transform learning and improve the student learning experience.
I think that it was a great event. I think that they understand the way AI is impacting the way that people learn and the way that the younger generation is learning.
Today was a testament to how many people want to listen to what we have to say, and it was just cool to have them respond to us and
ask questions.
Ask questions, and also to question our thinking.
Hearing from a student this evening to start off and kick off the whole event, super helpful. I think as a technology consultant, we've been doing AI, we know the tools, we know all the cool things it can do, but now we really need to focus on how in education is going to change and how we're going to change how we teach to our students.
AI is embedded in everywhere, whether you know it or not, and so teaching more about it, teaching it as a tool is just going to prepare them for whatever future they have outside of the classroom. It warms my heart to see all the people here, hearing conversations, people connecting with others that they didn't know prior to the evening, because that's where creativity flourishes. And so I'm really excited to see what comes of this and the connections that we'll have from different districts and different people moving forward from this in ways that we can support them from Kent ISD.